Hi everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Wen, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is wedding and funeral, which is very important in our daily life. If you're living in China, it will be very useful. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. So anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, this is two new characters, 婚礼. But we're not new, but 婚 is not new for us because we have learned 婚姻 before, and 礼 means ceremony. So 婚礼 is wedding. 婚礼, 婚礼. And then we have bride, 新娘, 新娘, 新娘. 娘, 新 means new, 新娘. And then groom, 新郎, 新郎, 新郎. Wedding dress, 婚纱, 婚纱, 婚纱. And full dress, 礼服, 礼服, 礼服. And because we have learned both of these two characters, this one means ceremony and this one means dress. So this is a kind of wearing that you wear in official occasion. And then we have bridesmaid, bridesmaid, 伴娘, 伴娘, 新娘, 伴娘, 伴 means accompany, 伴娘, 伴娘. Best man, 伴郎, 伴郎. And wedding ring, 结婚戒指, 戒指, ring, 戒, first tone, 戒, 指, light tone, 结婚戒指, 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 结婚戒指. And then wedding photo, 婚纱照, 婚纱照, 婚纱照. These two both flatten, 婚纱照, first in. And then master of ceremonies, 主持人, 主持人, 主持人. And banquet, 宴席, 宴, first in. 宴席, 宴席, 宴席. Guest, 宾客, 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 宾客. And red envelope, 红包. We have learned this before. In holiday, we send this in a lot of occasions. For example, New Year's and sometimes birthday. And in wedding, we send this 红包 too, which have money in it. And then to toast, 敬酒, 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 敬酒. And then to tease the newlyweds. This is a tradition in China. Before they get wedding, before they get married, like they will do some very interesting have a party, and it's a tease, but mostly they just hang around and play together, play some games, and we call it 闹洞房, 闹洞房, both first tone, 闹洞房, 闹洞房, 闹洞房. And then to record, 摄像. This is a very important expression. 摄像, both first tone. 摄像, 摄像. And then we have funeral. 葬礼, 葬礼, 葬礼. First, elegiac couplet. 挽联, 挽联, 挽联. This is like a couplet in New Year, but the words on it, it's for memorial usage, just not celebrate the New Year. And with 花圈花圈花圈 photo of deceased 遗照遗照遗照 to mourn, and to mourn, mourning, is 悼念悼念悼念 both first tone 悼念 and then tears 眼泪眼泪眼泪 coffin 棺材棺材棺材 and then to join a funeral procession 送葬送葬送葬 and crematorium 火葬场火葬场火葬场火葬场 cremation 火化火化火化 urn 骨灰盒骨灰盒骨灰盒和骨灰盒 grave 坟墓坟墓坟墓 tombstone 墓碑墓碑墓碑 and inscription 碑文碑文碑文 to present flowers 献花献花 read after me 献花 So this is a course day. We have learned a lot of new different expression and new characters. Hope you can do some review, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, visit our website, and don't forget to check the homework. Bye!